Today I am going to tell you on how to use coupon code and take the assessment on this IDC portal. So first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome browser, and here you need to put the this IDC portal link, that is dishaidc.com, and then enter. So first of all you need to register here. Click on register and then fill your basic detail like first name, last name. So I am just putting random first name, last name. Here you need to put your detail basically. So select all the details, email id, mobile numbers, and gender, all detail. And then I'm just putting the random things here, this idc.com, and then the phone number, selecting I am a student, select class, and then select city, whatever is your city, select language, and then click enter your password. The password you need to remember for future reference. So whenever you are login, you need to remember this password for future reference, and then register. And here you will see this kind of page. Then you need to click on assessment and report. Okay, so assessment and report, you need to you must have received a coupon code from your team. Okay, so then click on take assessment. So I have a coupon code. Please don't use this coupon code, so that, and I am just copy and pasting the coupon code and entering the coupon code here, and then click on apply, and then my assessment will start. Here the assessment will ask kind of language, which language you prefer for the assessment, Hindi, English or Telugu. Okay, so whatever you will convenient for this language, you can select here, and then click on start the assessment. Then when you click on start the assessment, you will see a edit profile section. Okay, then you need to fill all the detail like personal detail, mobile number, phone, that, and for the family details, self expression details, and then submit your profile section, and then you will see the assessment. So first, and this is the demo id, this is the demo video you need to prefer for your assessment. Thank you.